Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, actually in this series, we are gonna learn how to implement styling to our HTML. So most of the beginners actually face problems in styling our HTML. And when you actually code, design your websites, you don't know how to style, how to provide all the stylings properly, and sometimes you unable to fix your problems. Then we will talk about this troubleshooting, how I actually fix things when I stuck somewhere, and I will show you how you can use Google also to search stuffs. And when you forget things or you don't know what to do next, in that case the Google is your help and you can use that. So we will see everything from, I've just grabbed this contents from somewhere in order to track our progress and what we are actually doing steps in CSS. So let's get started. So what is actually HTML? HTML is, I'm just not going to give you a boring lecture here, but HTML is a kind of is a hypertext markup language. Is that every website, it is that which every website uses. If you click right click and go to view shows, you will see this is okay. So this is actually HTML coding and mixed with some JavaScript also. So whatever actually each and every website is written in HTML. From the front side you will see the HTML code. From the back side there are a lot of codings, but on the client side when you click and right click your view source, you will always see HTML there. So almost this is actually almost impossible for the websites to don't have HTML. Now let's talk about the basic syntax we can use. Before that, I'm just gonna tell you that what you need to do to get started with the CSS. You need an editor. So I will use the VS Code here. So you can also use anything else in your for yourself. I've created a folder HTML here, and this folder I will open this folder using VS Code. You can use your favorite editor also. There's no problem at all. Create two files, index.html and style.css. One more thing you need is live server. VS Code provides you a live server already installed. You can use bracket also. There you will also find live server. If you don't have a live server in your editor, you can go to extension in your editor, and there you will find plugins for that. So you can use it, and to get live server, you will find it in somewhere in the options. In some editor you will find it in files, in some editor you will find it in view. So it depends on the editor where these options are provided. So in the next tutorial, we'll start it from the very basics of the styling, and we'll see how we can do steps and the CSS, and we'll start it from very basics and look into the depth of it.